Hi guys, welcome back. I haven't done one of these videos in so long, but as you guys can see from the title, this is kind of my fall favorites video. I would say monthly favorites, but I haven't done one of these in like almost a year, so that just like wouldn't make sense. So this is just kind of fall favorite videos, mainly skincare, hair care, and some random lifestyle products thrown in. But yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into it because I don't like long intros, and I have a lot of products to show you guys today, but I did try to only put in products that I use daily, if not weekly, and that I really stand by. So it's like I have all these other products that I could have thrown in to make the video longer, but I was like, why do that if I don't really use them that often? So these are like my core products for hair and skin. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. Okay, first up, I'm going in no particular order, and I'm just gonna start with whatever I see first. So IGK is a hair care line, and I found them out at Fashion Week. I went to like one of their like dry styling bars, and they used all their products to me, and I really liked them. And the three that stood out to me, I want to share with you. So I have a bunch more of the products in the bathroom, but I just find I don't grab them as often as I grab these three. These three I use every time I wand my hair, which is like every day. So first off, this is the Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. I always use a dry shampoo even if my hair is clean. It just helps to texturize and give some volume on the top. I struggle with the volume because my hair is so long that it kind of weighs it down, so I feel like I get a little flat up here. So next up, this helps me as well with the whole volume situation. This is the Beach Club Volumizing Texture Spray. I just shake it, and I just kind of do it throughout the day. So even like now, you could just kind of brush it through. You could do it on your ends or your scalp. Okay, I have no mirror. This was not a good idea, but oh guys, it smells so good. It reminds me of the beach. I guess that's why there's the picture of the ocean on it. That would make sense. Oh my god, okay, now that I'm done like coughing and almost dying from breathing all that in, we'll move on to the next one. So this is the IGK Good Behavior. This is the smoothing spray. So what I do is I spray a little bit on my fingers, and I brush it through here and like this, not patting down too much because you want that volume to stay. So like I'll kind of go like that after, but just to get rid of any of those flyaways or those frizzies, which I do tend to have. So these three products are my go-to dry styling hair products. Dry hair dry. Whoa, these are the products I use when my hair is dry, like when I'm wanding. We'll move on to two products that I use when my hair is wet, when I get out of the shower, and these are by the brand Briogeo. I love that brand. This is the Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioner. I love this. This, to me, my hair is very knotty after I get out of the shower, so I usually bring a hairbrush in the shower so I get most of them out, but usually I have one or two knots in the back that I just like can't really get out on my own. So I spray this on all my ends, probably from here down, and let it set in for like a few minutes, and then brush it out. First off, it smells amazing, and second off, it gets out all those knots in my hair. So I do this every time I wash my hair, which is like one or two every other night. I love that, and it also is a heat protector as well. So I don't blow my hair, but if you were to blow your hair, this would help to protect it. But the next day when I wand, it's still in my hair, so it'll help to protect it. Next up from Briogeo, this is the volumizing spray. So I use this when my hair is wet, and I just kind of put it in the root and massage it into my scalp. And once again, this smells amazing. All their products smell amazing, so I like that personally. I know a lot of these brands are coming out with like no scent smell in case people are sensitive to smells, but for my hair, I want a scent. I like when my hair smells nice. So these are the two products I use when my hair is wet, and I love them. Okay, now let's move on to this new brand that I've been trying their products out for a little bit now. Three products I love and I've tried, and I like will recommend them to you. Two products of theirs I have not yet tried because they just came in, but I want to share them with you because they sound really good. I just have not yet tried them yet, but I'll let you know which ones. So this is the brand Rael. This is the Miracle Patch Invisible Spots. So it comes in a 24 pack. I haven't opened this one yet. The one I have been using is on my vanity. Just they're like literally all over, and I just don't want to show that. It's not pretty. So I had 2 packs of them. So this one's unopened, but I really like them. I put them on a particular type of breakout. I don't put it on like a cystic bump that I get on my jaw. I put it on if I get like over the skin blemish and it's like gonna turn into a whitehead. That's what I put it on, and it works wonders because if it's not ready to be popped yet, I put that thing on it, and then by morning it honestly sucks out the juice of the pimple. I know this is really disgusting to talk about, but it really works. It literally says airtight adhesion, transparent dots. I'm not even kidding. You can't even see them when you're on your face. I could probably wear them out and about. I just like, I don't know. protects from dirt, draws out fluids, and provides waterproof barrier. So I'm not kidding, by the next day when I pulled it off, it was like just like already everything was basically out of it. And I just like, I don't recommend to squeeze your pimples, but I very gently like went like this and just like everything came out of it, and it was just like ready to put on like my healing stuff, and it was good to go. So I really recommend these for those over the skin pimples that you can't pop yet, and this will help to kind of bring it to the surface. So really like this product by them. Okay, and then next up, these two products I have used, hence why they're open. So these are the Rael organic cotton tampons. You guys know that I'm all about like the organic health and beauty taking over. I really think it's super important, especially for feminine products. They should be all cotton and 100% natural and 100% organic. I just think that's like a no-brainer. You're like literally putting it into your body. Plus, their packaging is so cute. They're like little light pink. I love that. I just like throw them in my purse and they're like really cute. And then even this packaging, like the light orange and the light pink, I love that. Honestly, my bathroom's all white. I know this sounds weird that I care about the packaging, but my bathroom's all white. So like pastel-y packaging like this looks really good in my bathroom. So I love their packaging. I love that it's all organic. It's cotton. They're good for you, and they're just as good as performing as like the normal brands, because I know I've tried some like all natural cotton feminine care before, and it just like wasn't as good as quality. But this is honestly just as effective and just as useful as the other brands, minus all the toxic chemicals, which I think is so important for us women. Oh, and then real quick about these liners, what I like is that they're super thin and comfortable, and you like don't even feel like you have one on, which is so important. Okay, next up from that brand, which I have not yet tried these products yet, so I want to be like honest with you guys, but they sound amazing and I'll probably do one tonight. So one is the Collagen Plump and Smooth Facial Sheet Mask, and one is the Hydration, so the refresh and moisturize. My skin has been so dry because it's becoming winter, obviously, so I really want to try maybe the hydration one tonight. So I'll keep you guys posted on this, but I just wanted to show them because like I'm kind of excited to try them, but I don't know how they work yet because I have not tried them. So I want to stay 100% honest with you guys, but definitely check out the brand Rael because I love all their products. This acne patch, their organic and cotton tampons and panty liners are amazing. So those I will stand by. The other ones, I'm sure I will, but haven't tried them yet. Okay, moving on. Okay, this is just like a random product, and I probably showed it in so many videos, but I just kind of wanted to talk about this because I have bought maybe 50 of these already in my life. And I bought the huge one because it lasts so much longer. But this is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water. I use this to take off my makeup every night with a cotton pad, and it works wonders. I have very sensitive acne prone skin. This doesn't clog my pores. This doesn't break me out. There's no scent to it. It's just like very simple and clean, and it takes off all my makeup so well that I don't even really use makeup wipes anymore. I only use makeup wipes when I'm like on the go, and like I throw them in my bag, but like at home I always use this when I can. So I just quickly wanted to throw that in there. I know you guys have definitely heard of this product. It's been around for a while, but this is my go-to favorite thing to use to take my makeup off. Okay, one last hair product before I get into the rest of the skincare. Speaking of dry shampoo, the brand Pros sent this over to me, and I really wanted to shout them out because I think it's a really cool concept what they're doing. Basically, you go online and you fill out like a questionnaire all about your hair. So if you have long hair, straight, curly, thin, thick, are your strands coarse? Are they fine? Do you have oily hair? Like, you know, everything possible that you would want to know about your hair, they ask. And then they formulate a dry shampoo for you. And it's so cute because they even wrote my name on the bottle. I don't know if you guys could see that, but you get the point. It literally just says name and then my name, and this is the Refresh and Rebalance, and it's the invisible finish. So it basically asks me like everything that I would want in a dry shampoo and what I would need for my hair. So this just came in the mail today, so once again I haven't tried this yet, but I'm really excited to because it doesn't look like a spray. It almost looks like, oh my god, that's so cool. Powder literally just shot out of there. Let's just like rub that in there. Does it have a smell? Not that I smell from here, but that was so cool. I was not expecting that. Also, I just touched my nose with that, and that's not a good look, like walking around with powder on my nose. But anyway, I'm excited to try this. I think it's a really cool concept. Okay guys, sorry if the frame is different. My memory card got full halfway through the video. That's always fun. So had to just delete a bunch of stuff, and hopefully I like set it up in the correct position. It already looks different, but like, oh well. Wait, I want to make sure you guys could see my pretty flowers. Oh, okay. Okay, where was I before I got rudely interrupted? Oh, next up, I want to share these products because they smell like a dream. I love using them. This one in the shower and this one after the shower, and then I get into bed and I smell so good. And I know that sounds really weird, but it's the best smell ever. Oh my god, a bubble just like shot into my nose. I wish you guys could smell it. I really do. But anyway, this is the brand, I think it's called Sol Janeiro. I don't know. I've seen a lot of people talk about it on social media, so I figured I would give it a shot. This is the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. I use it as like a body wash in the shower. Oh my god, first off, it makes your skin so soft, and it has this like kind of shimmery to it, which I really like, and it's just the smell. The smell is why it made it into this video. It smells so beyond good. And then the next product from the same brand has the same smell. This is like a very thick cream, and I like to do it at night, especially in the winter because my body has been so dry. It's already like halfway gone. A little bit goes a long way, and I just like put this all over my body like a moisturizer. Obviously, I'm not going to teach you guys how to do that. I'm sure you guys know how to do that. But this is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream infused with all-powerful guarana extract. I don't know what that is, but it does wonders for my body, and my skin feels so soft for like days after. I mean, obviously I shower, but like, let's say like I put it on at night and the whole next day I feel so soft and like silky, and it's because of these products, and the smell is just amazing. Two like random, very random lifestyle products that I wanted to throw in here was how earlier I said never pop your pimples. I think it's so bad to do for your skin, and that's how you get scars, and it's just really bad. But anyway, I bought this off Amazon, and I feel like a little like doctor. I don't know if I've showed this before one of my videos. I don't know, but if you don't know what this is, you're probably like, what are you, like a psycho murderer killer? I don't know. It looks like a little like thing of knives, but basically it's tools that I use after the shower when my skin's nice and soft, and if I have a pimple that looks like it's ready to pop, you just kind of take one of these tools. Let's see if you could see it. There's like all different shapes and sizes, but this is the one I use the most, and you just go around the pimple and press down, and like everything comes out of it. It's so satisfying, but honestly only use it when your like breakout's ready to pop. Like don't just do it on like a brand new pimple, because that probably won't help it heal. But like when you can tell it's ready to pop, just do that, and oh my god, it gets everything out. It just does wonders. And then obviously I clean them with like rubbing alcohol, and I clean my wound out after, but it does wonders. And it helps your pimple heal faster because you're getting everything out of it. Okay, and then this last random lifestyle product. These are my blue light glasses from Diff. I don't know if I look really crazy with them on, but I wear these every single night when I'm in bed because I'm on my computer and editing photos on my phone for hours straight that my eyes are like cross-eyed after, and I'm like can't see. So these have helped tremendously, and I notice I sleep better the nights that I use these, and I get way less headaches because honestly, and then after I'm on the computer working for a few hours, I'm watching Netflix on my computer so close to my face, and that can't be good for you. So I just like using these. I like knowing that they're protecting my eyes, and it really does help me to sleep better and gives me less headaches. Woo! That was a mouthful and a lot of products I shared with you guys, but I honestly feel like these are my core products that I use always, besides the ones I haven't tried yet, but those are like ones I wanted to share with you because they seem really cool. But if you guys have tried any of these products or have any questions about them, let me know down below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.